Now this figure 20-3B deals with calculating the primary and secondary current of a transformer. Now in the diagram you see the transformer is 25 kVA, it's 480 volt 3-phase. On the secondary it's 208 volt 3-phase. Now to determine the full load current rating in amps, step one, you just take the 25 kVA times 1,000 and divide it by the 480 volt times a square root of 3, and you come up with 30.08 amp. Now the secondary side, same thing. To get the full load current rating of the transformer, you take the kVA rating, 25 kVA times 1,000, divide it by the voltage, 208 volt times the square root of 3, and you come up with 69 amp. Now that is finding primary and secondary current of the transformer based upon the kVA rating of the transformer and the voltage of the primary and secondary side, which is primary 480 3-phase and the secondary is 208 volt 3-phase. Now in the quick calc, we can use a ratio, which sometimes we'd use in the field to double check. And 480 volt divided by 208 volt is 2.3. It's basically what we use in the field, but we take it on out here. Finding the secondary amps, change that. Secondary should be primary, because on the primary side, the ratio is a multiplier. So you would take that primary current in step one there at 30.08 times 2.3, you get 69 amp. But on the secondary side of it, the ratio becomes a divider. So you take 69 amps and divide it by 2.3, then you get 30.08. So you can see on the primary side, the ratio value is a multiplier, but on the secondary side, it's a divider. And that's exactly what our figure 220.3b is trying to show you.